Taka niambie tu Gen Z. They are not all that.
No, umesema hivyo last episode.
Yeah, they are not all that. You know,
yes.
The Nation rightly says that 5 million and 83 Gen Zs.
New Gen Z voters.
Or targeted number. But roughly 12 million.
12 million.
Eligible citizens. Those with IDs and no voter
card.
But since our data is scanty, maybe in the 12 million there are dead people, the people in the diaspora, wajakatia huko,
yes.
So going by the numbers, I'm telling Gen Zs, you are not all that. Because every time we've had a voter registration,
yes,
IBC imekuwa miss targets.
Every time.
Okay. So maybe we target last time we'll target this number, they missed by 2 million. Those 2 millions wako Gen Z.
Hawako Gen Z.
So ikiaccumulate,
inakuwa certain.
Watu wenye wajakata kura ni 50-50 Gen Z now.
The ghost of the voter registration.
Yes.
Nika goes through.
Yes.
Okay.
Unless you definition ya Gen Z.
Ni miaka tu.
Wenye wamekata
kura.
Wenye walivota last time.